Mung'ethaniro wikirire nganja kambuni ya KPMG kiuga ati tiginyanirwo gutabania uthorimi ucio. Mutongoria wa kodi Raila Odinga agitongoria batoni ya mung'ethaniro kwendekithia mihang'o iyo kurugamio.
That the law which was negotiated by the Joint Select Committee of Parliament is not reversible, because this was after lengthy consultations between all the stakeholders. We had 7 members in the Select Committee. Jubilee had 7 members. This joint committee deliberated for a long time with experts in the ICT.
Kabuni ĩyo ĩraheirwo kandarathio nĩ kamĩtĩ ya gĩthurano IEBC mĩhang'o ĩrĩa ĩkĩambĩrĩrio. Kabuni ĩno yakinyanĩirio nĩ kamĩtĩ ĩyo harĩ kabuni 12 iria ciatũmĩte mahoya kwenda kuoya wĩra ũcio wa gũthũrima register ya ikia kura hakuhĩ milioni 16 bũrũri-inĩ.
So this particular company that was given the contract to print ballot papers has got no capacity to do the work it was given by the IEBC. And we want to insist that that contract must be cancelled, if at all it has been signed. Because we are aware, over and above the fact that KPMG has got no capacity in terms of auditing voters' registers. KPMG has been engaged in suspect transactions and deals.
No mĩhang'o ĩno kũringana na mũtaratara ũrĩa warutĩtwo nĩ IEBC nĩ mĩcerere ũthũrimi ũcio rĩu gĩtanywo kũrĩka tarĩki 13 mweri wa kerĩ mwaka ũkĩte.
We want everybody to be peaceful. That's why we abhor the kind of violence we are seeing in some party elections elsewhere. We would really like Kenyans to behave in a civil manner, in a civilized manner, peaceful nominations, peaceful campaigns, and peaceful elections. But what we don't want is peace at all costs.
Mung'ethaniro ũrekwo wa thirikari ya Jubilee gũthagania njama ya gũthoga maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano kĩnene gĩũkĩte ũndũ ũrĩa thirikari ĩnyororĩtie.
Those very few people.
Thirikari ningĩ ĩgĩtĩtĩrithia kwĩgeta gũtigĩrĩra thayũ hĩndĩ ya gĩathĩ gĩa gĩthurano kĩnene gĩũkĩte.
This country of ours will remain secure. Election is an event which will come and go, but the people of Kenya and their properties will always be safeguarded and protected. And I also told them that the Kenyan citizens are not enemies.
Gĩthurano kĩu gĩatigia o mĩeri 8 gĩtabanio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV rĩtũra kwa Macharia wa Gachuru.